For me, undergraduate research is allowing students to take a piece or a small part of a research question and carry it out on their own and independently, and really get a feeling for all aspects of what it takes to do research in whatever field they're working in. I take material from my own research program into a lab setting, and the students work with it throughout the term, getting comfortable with the types of experiments that we perform in my field. And during the term, they come up with new questions that they want to answer, and then I source any additional material they need. They design the experiments, and at the end of the term they carry out a small independent project where they are running their experiment to answer their question, and coming back to the rest of the group and explaining what they did, why they did it, and hopefully what the answer is. Take this approach for a couple of reasons. First, it really gives the students a taste of what it's like to carry out science. Secondly, it's the way I would want to learn this material, and there's a lot more ownership of the experience when it's really coming from the students themselves. And I think from my experience, the engagement level with the material has been extremely high, and it's just been a really great way to bring the students right into the enterprise of doing science. One of the things really important to me is to emphasize early on in the process that it is not the outcome, but it's the activity that's important. So assessment is designed around, did you get the process right? There's a lot of ongoing feedback, both from myself and from the students themselves, and sort of a level of peer feedback throughout the semester, so that a lot of confidence is built in their abilities. One of the suggestions I'd have for instructors who are thinking about this is to not worry about controlling every aspect. And I've been asked questions by students that I wouldn't have come up with because they're coming at it from a completely a different background and with a different set of eyes. So I think that the more that you can let the student have control and ownership over the research experience, the more authentic it is for them, and the more that I've learned in carrying out some of these projects.